Hello everyone, in this video we will be talking about modes of persuasion, which are important to know when writing an essay. So, what are the modes of persuasion? They are ethos, pathos, and logos. You can use them to make your essay look more reliable and trustworthy. To explain them in the most simple way, ethos is about credibility, pathos is about emotion, and logos is about logic. Now I will explain in more detail. First, ethos. Ethos is all about establishing your credibility. It's how you show your reader that you know what you're talking about. Think of ethos as your way of saying, you can trust me because I've got the facts. In your GED essay, you will want to use reliable sources and present yourself as someone knowledgeable about the topic. For example, if you're writing about the importance of education, citing statistics from reliable studies or research can boost your ethos. Next, let's talk about pathos, which is about emotions. Pathos is all about making your reader feel something. Maybe it's an empathy, anger, or inspiration. When you connect with your reader's emotions, you make your argument more relatable and memorable. For instance, if you're writing about environmental issues, you might paint a clear picture of the impact of pollution on future generations. This emotional connection can drive your point home. And finally, we have the logos, appealing to logic and reason. This is where you present clear logical arguments, supported by evidence. When you use logos, you're giving your reader good reasons to agree with you. Imagine you're writing about the benefits of a healthy diet. You can include facts, statistics, and logical explanations to show why a balanced diet is important for good health. Now, let's go to some example scenarios. Let's say your GED essay prompt asks you to argue whether or not schools should require uniforms. Here's how you could use each mode of persuasion. For ethos, you could mention studies or statistics from educational experts that support your point. For example, according to research by the University of Michigan, schools with uniforms report fewer disciplinary issues. Pathos. You could share a story or scenario to evoke emotion. For instance, imagine a student who feels out of place because they can't afford the latest fashion trends. Uniforms can create a sense of equality and belonging. For logos, you could logically argue that uniforms can save time and reduce distraction. If students wear uniform, they spend less time choosing outfits, which can increase their focus on school. Now, let's test your understanding with a quick quiz. I'll give you a statement and you decide whether it's using ethos, pathos, and logos. Scenario 1. In a letter to the school board, a parent says, as a teacher with 20 years of experience, I've seen firsthand how uniforms positively impact student behavior. The correct answer is ethos. Scenario 2. A student writes, uniforms stripped away our individuality and make us feel like we're all the same, which isn't fair. The correct answer is pathos. Scenario 3. In an essay, a student argues, data shows that schools with uniforms see a 25% decrease in bullying incidents. The correct answer is logos. So, there you have it. Using ethos, pathos, and logos can really strengthen your GED essay. By incorporating credibility, emotional appeal, and logical reasoning, you're more likely to write a persuasive, well-rounded essay that impresses the graders. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like, share, and subscribe for more study tips and tricks. And let me know in the comments how you're using these modes of persuasion in your writing. Good luck on your GED, and I'll see you in the next video.